going on, guys? Isaac here, and in today's video I will be installing my new Fortunato coilovers. I should be wrapping it up today. I just have to do the other side and some other small pieces, so that shouldn't be that bad. And when we get it on, we will be doing a test drive, and I will kind of be showing you guys kind of like what the ride height looks like and stuff like that, and how smooth it's going to be, because I know it's going to be a night and day difference because those old D2 coilovers were just not good. So without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. All right, so a little update for you guys. We got the back one in. It's not 100% in right now, but yeah, seats are out. I got the top 3 bolts in there. They're not tightened yet. I just got them to just line up right now, just so it's sitting there. We just need to adjust the ride height because, as you guys can see, that's too high right there. So we got that to do, and we have this one to do as well. The top 3 are in there as well, so got all those lined up, and then we're got to get these 2 in there. We got to get to the other side there and do those ones. So yeah, we still have a lot to go, but we're still making progress, so this is going pretty good. All right, so the coils are in and the car is down. This side's not done yet though, because as you take a look, this back one is very lowered than I wanted it to be. This front one's not bad. I'll take a closer look here. Yeah, that is pretty low. Stick my finger in there, I can barely fit my palms in there, and the top of it's almost hitting. So there's that one there, and this one up here is actually not too bad. I'd say it's about a ½ inch off though. This one still feels a little low, so I still gotta adjust those a little bit higher though. So that's the next step, is jacking the car back up and getting the right height for these 2, and then onto the other side. The other side should be a lot easier because we already have the measurements down of what we need. So the backs are 19 5/8 for height, and then 15 5/8 for the front, and then 3 clicks from soft from this top part. You can adjust like the stiffness and the softness on there. So we figured that out, and yeah, so I'll give you guys a little update in a little bit. Now before I take them off, I'm gonna show you guys the rear quick. Look at that stance game. Look at that. Looks crazy. You can see the front. See, the fronts are pretty well lined, and then these ones are just super stance. That is just so funny to me. But yeah, so now I'm gonna just jack it up quick, the wheels off, readjust them quick. All right, so now we're on to the other side. We already got the old ones out, as you can see right there. And we're about to put the new ones in. So just about wrapping it up here. All right, so right now I am reassembling the seats, and we should be ready for a test drive. Just got a screw and bolt right here. There's some bolts right there. There's 3 on this one, and then there's 2 on the bottom for this bottom piece for these 2 pieces right there. So should be wrapping up here in a couple minutes, then we'll be able to do our test drive. All right, so now I got the back seats in. All I had to do was do the 2 bolts on this bottom part, then the 3 bolts on this top part, and then I also got the seat belts out. Easing that, and then also I do have a seat belt way up there, but I never have 3 people in the car because I just don't like having all that weight on this back part because I'll scrape and everything, so I don't want to do that. So without further ado, let's get into the drive and review these new Fortunato coilovers. All right, so we are off, and instantly I can feel an amazing difference. Literally night and day. These Fortunato coilovers are way nicer than the old D2s. Like, this is simply just night and day difference. It's a beautiful day out today. It's a little chilly, but it's not too bad. The sun's out. It's about 40 degrees right now. About 30, yeah, it's about 36. It's a little windy, but it's not too bad. All right, I'm gonna get onto the highway here. See how they feel. Yeah. It is so much nicer. Night and day. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's gonna be a great summer if I'm gonna have these coils. I needed these so bad, boys. Yeah, you guys have no idea, but wow, this is just way better than the old ones that I have on. These absorb the bumps like crazy. Like these things just absorb the bumps. You don't feel them like at all, and I'm still like 3 clicks off a soft, which is just amazing. And these things are just definitely worth the money for sure. Gotta love that turbo flutter. Gotta love it. Got a little Type R action out here. Thing's looking pretty nice, not gonna lie. Got the Brembos, obviously. This thing looks super nice, super clean. I like it. Subi is way over there. I don't know if you guys can see a little speck of white in the middle there. That's the Subi. We got the Subi in the snow. We at work though, so we can't be out here for too long, but I think that was a pretty cool sight, seeing the Subi in the snow. They won't be salting the road, so I won't have a problem getting home, but I think it's kind of funny how it's snowing when I take it out. Subi got a little dirty today. Not bad though, not bad. Oh yes, sir. Oh, we like to see it. Let's go, baby. A little dirty. It's all right though. It's all right. You know what I'm saying? She looks good though. Oh, oh. Yes, sir. Well, as you guys can tell, those are the old ones, and they're very rusted, very old. I definitely needed these Fortunatos. So perfect here. I have about finger's length of room here, a little bit more. That's on the fronts, and on the rears, I had a little bit lower. I have right about where I want it for there, right about finger height as well. And the same thing over here, or about finger height here, and the same thing as well over on this side, a little bit higher. So we got those right there. We added green to the engine bay, which I didn't think we can get more colorful than this, but we added green to it. So we got those. My sway bars are pink. There's some other things back here. There's another blue bar. I don't remember exactly what's back there, but there's a blue bar back there. And yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm very happy with the result. Fortunatos, Coilovers did a very good job. I did do a test drive. You guys saw that. That was amazing. It was night and day difference between the older ones and the newer ones. I'm not bottoming out as much. It just eats up those, it just absorbs the bumps and stuff. And you guys saw that in that little drive there. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below some other ideas you guys want us to do in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was part 2 to the Fortunato build for my Subaru. We finally got them in after a lot of messing around with ride height and whatnot. We finally got turned around everything. I'm gonna show you guys kind of the final result of where the car stands right now.